Hey, welcome back to the Genesis Principle of Fine Art. I'm Alton Jones. Today I have a video set up for you that shows a little bit of swans. I think they were just finished swimming and they were grooming themselves. I have another video posted on something like that, but I find that people are interested in seeing swans grooming themselves, so I thought I'd do a video of that. And so I got this video where they're grooming themselves just after swimming, and so I'll be showing you a little bit of that. What else? Yeah, I guess this painting behind me here, it's from the plein air study that I was doing of the yellow face, which is the mustard field close to my home. Still working on that. I decided to finish it indoors, and so I'm working on that, and when that's completed, I'll be sharing. If I don't share the process of painting that, I'll actually share the actual painting and show a little bit of maybe varnishing or some glazing techniques on that maybe. So yeah, as I've said in one of the videos of the past, my channel is not so much an extensive tutorial channel, but I will do tutorials from time to time and share some ideas on how to improve your painting techniques and your skills. So I may show some footage of the process, but I definitely will show the painting. So check the video out, swans grooming themselves, and I'll see you in my next video. I saw these swans by the water and grooming themselves, and I thought I'd take a little bit of footage of that. So check it out.